Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my home. Fair warning, as you know, I have 4 fur babies, so if things get a little crazy and hectic in here, just bear with me. For today, I decided to do another recipe. This one is because my husband has been bugging me to make bread. So we love bread in this house, but of course, you know, we try to stay on the healthy side because of our fitness lifestyle. So I am making today a coconut flour based bread option for you guys. It's super easy, very few ingredients, and if you follow the keto meal plan or the keto lifestyle, this actually fits into keto as well. I don't personally follow that per se, but it's nice when a recipe can kind of cover many different options for you. So what you're gonna need today is you're going to need coconut flour along with coconut oil, a little bit of sea salt, not a whole lot, some baking powder, and of course you're gonna need eggs. So a bowl to mix it all up in, and then a pan for the bread loaf as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with all of the dry ingredients first. So it's a half a cup of the coconut flour, which I already have measured out. Also, we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder, so not very much. On the salt, I don't really measure the salt. I just kind of give it a little squeeze in there. And then I'm gonna mix that up. And then we are going to add in the wet ingredients. So the coconut oil, again, is half a cup of melted coconut oil. So I'm gonna put that in there. And I'm gonna mix that up first before I put the eggs in there. So it's basically a 1-to-1 ratio for the coconut oil and the coconut flour. Okay, it's got a nice consistency, if you can see that there. Now, this is where it takes a lot of eggs. So 6 eggs is what we need to put in there. I'm actually going to be making 2 loaves, so I'm going to be going through most of these eggs. And get that out. So I will crack about 3 of the eggs first, get it all mixed up, and then add in the additional 3. Alright, so we are all set, ready to go into the oven. We are going to cook at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. So I'm going to put these babies in the oven, and then I will be checking back with you guys when we're done. This is what it currently looks like before the oven, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're done. 40 minutes in the oven is all it took, and we have our bread. So you can see the difference in them. This one, when I mixed it up, I was a little bit more, I mixed it up a little bit better than I did this one, but it's still gonna be delicious either way. So let me cut a piece off and show you guys what it looks like. And of course, you could double the recipe and do it in together to make it a little bit thicker bread, to actually have like slices of bread. But that's pretty much it, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and share it as well. So if you know anyone who loves bread and needs a healthy alternative, you got it. Talk to you guys later.